Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add a document to your Android or iPad home screen. If you are using an Android or an iPad, so let's see how can you add a shortcut to your home screen for any PDF file. For this, you must have to use your Google Drive app. Just open it and here just select the PDF which you want to add shortcut to your home screen, and I'm going to select this one. So just select three dots in front of the PDF and here look for the shortcut option. Here's that, tab on it and then tab on add, and then it will add a shortcut to your Drive app. You just have to select the three dots again and here you will get the add to home screen option. Just select it, then tab add automatically, and then it will add a shortcut to your home screen. You just have to tab on it to open the PDF, and that's how you can easily create a shortcut of your PDF on home screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.